So this, guys, is a helmet that I chose to purchase to go with my e-bike, my XP 2.0. It's the Victgoal. I got the navy blue to go with the blue on the bike, and came in this nice wrapped package. It's got the sun visor. You snap it on. Got inside, nice inside padding, and it fits real snug. So if you need a helmet to fit, well, make sure that you get one that fits snug. So I think it's a pretty good looking helmet. Comes with a owner's manual. Also comes with a nice bag to keep it in, to keep it from getting all scratched up. And it came with something unique. So this is the visor. Comes with this, I'll call it a face shield because it's half of a face shield. It's magnetic. You just put it inside your helmet and it snaps quite nicely to the front of the helmet. Now there are some reports that this rubs on some people's noses. Now the way my helmet fits, it doesn't even touch my nose. My nose is completely on the inside. I guess it would depend on how far down your helmet sits in the front. But it is a nice added perk to go with this helmet at no extra charge. Because in Florida, we have what's called no-see-ums. They're little bugs that are so small you don't see them, but you will ride your bike and you will run into a swarm of them. And they will be all over your face. So I recommend this for the no-see-ums. And if you don't want to use it, you don't have to use it. It's not something that's, has to go onto the helmet. So the helmet has a place for the magnet. Let's see if I can do this one-handed here. So just like that, click. So it clicks on the helmet. Actually, that's pretty creative. I like that. It fits real well. It's on there sturdy. And it's not going anywhere. Comes off easy. I'm really liking it, guys. I forgot one other perk that comes with this helmet. It comes with a light on the strap. Now that light on the strap has different modes, 3 different modes. Flashing mode, side to side mode. Fits on this strap really nice. See if you can get a good look at that. See how that fits on the strap. Now that's pretty cool. And they even threw in 1 extra battery. Let me turn the lights off on my bench here. Okay, let's see what it looks like now. That is pretty cool. Not bad for considering it's all rolled into the price. Really liking it. And like I said, that helmet is made by Victgoal. I'll put a link down below. Now, I'm not an affiliate. I don't get any money off of it. This is just what I purchased with my own money and what I'm using on my bike. So your mileage may vary whether you like it or whether you don't. Do your due diligence. Do your homework. Read all the reviews. There's some reviews that say this shield comes off. Mine snapped on really hard, this sun visor. Mine snapped on really hard. I don't see that as being a problem. Your mileage may vary. Catch you on the next one.